Artificial intelligence is a broad field of computer science that deals with creating intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. The potential benefits of using AI/ML in the pharmaceutical industry, especially the clinical research industry, include the acceleration of drug discovery by rapidly analyzing vast amounts of biological data, such as genomic, proteomic, and clinical trial data, identification of the potential drug targets, and predicting the efficacy of the AI/ML can significantly reduce the costs which are associated with early stage drug development process. The technologies of AI today have enhanced the accuracy of drug design by simulating molecular interactions and predicting the properties of the newer compounds. This has helped researchers in optimizing the drug candidates for the potency, for selectivity and safety, ultimately increasing the likelihood of successful drug development candidates to be identified. Now, the other utilization of AI/ML in clinical trials also include optimizing the patient selection, the monitoring of clinical trials, also the disease progression prediction, and predicting the ultimate treatment outcomes, what patients will be benefited with. We also know that leveraging the patient data and the clinical trial results by AI/ML algorithms can identify the patient subgroups that are most likely to be benefited with the help of the particular treatment that is under consideration, and thus it can reduce the risk of failure and accelerate the drug development of only the effective therapies and weeding out those therapies which are not really useful to the patients. AI/ML can significantly impact the genomics, the biosimilar industry, by reducing the time to approval through the modeling and simulation. The generic industry can also benefit from the same. It can identify the potential alternative indications of established drugs, thereby increasing the revenue potential of those drugs. And finally, it can help in model potential combinations of off-patent drugs, which could benefit from a far superior efficacy and safety standpoint, and thus AI/ML can be utilized for predicting these rather than doing clinical trials for those off-patented elements. Now, AI/ML can revolutionize the drug manufacturing process as well, and in these cases especially, it can enable more efficient and cost-effective production processes by automating tasks such as quality control, inventory management, the supply chain management, and also it can improve the manufacturing yield, reducing the waste and ensuring the product safety. So thus, integrating AI/ML throughout the drug discovery and development of the pipeline includes various improvements throughout the life cycle management. It can include identification of novel targets, evaluation of the drug target interactions. It can indicate the identification of investigation of the various disease mechanisms, and also help us design and optimize the small molecules. These approaches also assist in recognizing prognostic biomarkers and examining the drug safety, the efficacy, and the patient responses and resistance variations. So I would say that in all, drug development process along with the discovery process and manufacturing processes can be optimized using AI/ML.